Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take out and clean your dust container from Viomi SE. So in order to do that, we'll need to first open the lid right here. You just put your finger here and lift it up like this. Now in order to get access to our dust container, you'll need to put your finger here and here and just simply pull it out. And that's our water tank and the dust container. And here, to actually get access to the dust that is inside our container, you'll need to put your finger here and simply take it off like that. And from here you'll be able to clean your dust container. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.